Yo, what's up, Internet Land? This is Anthony Brown coming from my home here in Bowie, Maryland. And if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you're probably interested or you've been looking at my video talk. And what I wanted to do real quickly was just to share with you my experience in the short period of time that I've had with this phenomenal marketing tool and business opportunity. And like I was saying, I've only been using it for several weeks now, a couple of weeks now. And in the short time that I've been using it, I've had tremendous amount of people ask me, what is it, how do you use it? It's great. I've been so much success. Not only had success with having just another stream of income, but this tool has actually allowed me to enhance my visible brand and expand my customer base as well as my business base. Now, I can't stress enough just how important your visible brand is to your particular business, whatever business you're in and whatever industry you're in. You see, I use various strategies to promote my products and my services currently, such as my website, my blog, social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. I do article marketing. The list goes on and on. And as a matter of fact, you should be implementing, if you haven't already, just as many, if not all of those methods I just mentioned as well. But see, what my video talk has done, or what the tool has done for me, is position myself to stand out from the crowd and do some things and to do things that others aren't doing or don't do. And that's communicate to the masses and make my brand much more visible using video and video emails, web broadcasting, and my very own web channel. Man, you talk about powerful. That alone is powerful. You see, with my video talk, my customers and my subscribers, they can now identify with me. They can identify with my brand and my message much more effectively. You see, you can compare it to, say, just having a friendly conversation in the home of your subscribers without you actually being physically present there. You see, with my video talk, I don't need to hire a top-notch advertising or a top-notch marketing firm to build an effective brand strategy for myself, for my business, or for recognition. The accessibility to my valuable information in my industry is great. But if you add in the visibility aspect, now I have a powerful combination for establishing a recognizable brand that everybody can identify with. And you can have the same thing. I can go on and on about how powerful my video talk is, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. Look, if you're looking to expand your business, if you're looking to expand your visible brand, if you're looking to add some extra stream of income, then take action right now. Take action today. You will not be disappointed, I guarantee you. With that, this is Anthony Brown. I'm signing off from my home here in Bowie, Maryland. And as always, you take care, be blessed, and I'll see you at the bank. Later.